Alright guys, so I have a 2007 A4 Quattro S-Lane, and one of the symptoms I was having is that I was driving and the car was suddenly shut off. I could be driving for an hour, 2 hours, I could let it idle for 4 hours and I wouldn't have any problems. But at some point, it was shut off. After scanning the computer, I found out I had this code, P310B, low fuel pressure regulation, fuel pressure outside of specification, lower limit not reached. I checked the fuel lines to see if I had a leak, but I didn't. I then connected the VCDS module with my laptop and went into group measurements. And as you can see in group 106, electric fuel pump, it's 63.5%, which is out of the ordinary. The specifications for this have to be from 50% to 55%. So I decided to buy a new fuel pump and a fuel filter. This is the one that I purchased from SCP Euro, brand BDO. It was $203.99, and I also bought the AUDI fuel filter, which is the AUDI brand. Even though I bought the brand BDO, I did receive a Continental brand fuel pump from FCP Euro, and they said that was normal, that usually BDO sends either that brand or Continental brands. I'm not gonna show you a video how to install the fuel pump because there's already a lot of videos out there on YouTube. But I'm gonna show you what the difference between a bad fuel pump and a good fuel pump on VCDS. After installing the new fuel pump, we're gonna go check VCDS. I open up VCDS, select control module, then we go to engine, and then we're gonna go to measuring blocks, and then we're gonna type 103, go 106, then go, then 230, go. You can tell in group 106, my fuel pump is at 53%, which is the normal. It's gotta be between 50 and 55. 53 is already a plus. Before it was around 64%, which was a bad fuel pump. You can see the new fuel pump has fixed the problem. Also, when changing the fuel pump, make sure to change your fuel filter so that way you can do both at the same time and you won't have any problems. As you can see, I am running at really good numbers, 54.5, and before it was 64.5. Here we're testing the car. We've been driving for 2 hours, and it's been working fine. As you can see, group number 106, the fuel pump right now it's at 54.5 at idle, where we are at a red light. And at the bottom, group 002, you can see the RPMs. Right now the engine is running at 800 RPMs, and we're gonna speed up to 80 miles per hour once the light turns green. Okay, turn green already. We're going, shifting through the gears, and you can see the fuel pump numbers. It's 50s and 60s. You can tell 66 is 67, 68. Before, it will reach sometimes even to 80%. And when you reached 80%, it will cut off the car. But now, it only goes up to 68%. That's what I saw. And here we have the results. Before, 63.5 at idle, and after the new fuel pump, 54.5 at idle. I'd had this pump on my car for a week, and the stalling stopped.